So today we're going to do this look right here. I've been doing it a lot lately when I want something more glam because it's actually not too hard to do, believe it or not. It's actually pretty easy, and this color combo I am living for. We are going to start with the color Raine Beauty Rust palette in the color Natural, and it's coming off a lot more orange than it does in the pan, but I don't mind. I am all about them warm tones, and I'm gonna use this Sigma E40 brush, and I'm gonna blend it all over my eyes, and I'm gonna use this as our first transition color. I'm going to build the color after I blend it out to the intensity that I want, and then the next color we're going to use is called Recharge, and it's more of a burnt orange color, and I'm literally going to stick this right in my crease, and with the brush I'm going to blend it a little bit upwards but not too high up. So as you can see, I'm sticking it into my crease to create more depth, and then slowly blending it out. And then I'm going to take the brush that we used before and further blend it out to make sure we don't have any harsh edges. And this palette is actually really nice. When we come to it, there's just one color that I'm not a big fan of the formula because it's really blotchy when you blend it out. And then we're going to go in with Nighty Night, and we're going to put this in the outer corner to create a little bit more smoky out there, and slowly blend it in. And then with the brush that we used Recharge with, I'm going to use that brush to blend out the edges once again. And blend, you guys, like, you know, blending is key. And then I'm going to cut my crease like I always do, same brush with the MAC Prolong Wear Concealer, and it takes forever, so I'm just speeding through it. And then I'm going to use the LA Splash Midnight Elixir base to make sure the shimmer shadows that we're going to lay down pop to the max. And then I'm going to take Dream, and I'm going to kind of put this right in the center and then blend it out to the outer corner a little bit. But I'm not going to bring it in too in, because I'm not going to bring it in just because we're going to apply lighter shades to create more of a transition. And then using the Prism palette, I'm going to take Pyramid, and I'm going to put this more in the inner quarter and blending it out to Recharge to create more of a transition. And even in the most inner part of my eye, I am going to take Lucid, also from the Prism palette. This is the color I was kind of having a trouble with as far as blending it out and kind of being really blotchy and losing its intensity the more I blended it out and packed it. And it was Dusk from the Beauty Rust palette. It's a beautiful color, it's just I didn't like how I blended out. And then I'm going to use LA Splash Fool's Gold as my glitter liner, and I'm just going to take this where we cut the crease to add some glitter to this look. And then I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line with Natural and a little bit of Recharge. And I'm using the lightest shade from the Prism Palette in Lucid, I believe, for my inner corner highlight. For my lips, I use Chai from Colourpop as my lip liner. I use Dose of Colors No Shade, I think it is, for the lips, and MAC Lust Gloss, which is my favorite right now. It's amazeballs. And I'm using the MAC Fix Plus to set everything in, and that's pretty much it, you guys. That is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm going to try to upload more. So thank you for your patience, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.